Hi students, let us discuss district level practice test 3. In that first main is choose the correct options. In that first question is movement of pollen towards the oval. Options are given phototropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism, geotropism. Tropism means turning movement of plants. If plant turn towards the light, it is called it as phototropism. Towards the water, it is called it as hydrotropism. Towards the earth is called So geotropism means plant shows the turning movement towards the earth. It is called it as geotropism. Here chemotropism is the correct answer. Why? Question is asked movement of pollen towards the oval. Okay, when the pollen grains are fall on the stigma of the pistil, thus it produces the pollen tube. Through the pollen tube, pollen grains starts move towards the oval, towards the chemicals. The turning movement you can see here because of the chemical. So this is the example for the chemotropism. Which one? The movement of pollen towards the oval is the example for the chemotropism. That's why chemotropism is the correct option. Option B is the correct answer. Next, second question. In Fleming's left hand rule, the thumb indicates direction of electric current, direction of magnetic field, direction of conductor movement, direction of magnetic field. Before marking this question for the answer, let us discuss the Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, let us see the Fleming's left hand rule. Stretch these three fingers, means thumb finger, forefinger and middle finger. These are all mutually perpendicular to each other. If the first finger, forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field, middle finger will indicate the direction of current, and thumb finger indicates the direction of motion or force acting on the conductor. So here the options are given. Option A, direction of electric current. So thumb finger will not shows the direction of electric current. Middle finger will shows the direction of current. Then direction of magnetic field. This direction of magnetic field will be indicated by the forefinger, not a thumb finger. Next, C, the direction of conductor movement. So this indicates the thumb. Okay, thumb indicates the direction of conductor of movement. Then option C is the correct answer. Third one, when a student step on sharp object and immediately pull back, the action is. Options are given: mental action, reflex action, physical action, chemical action. Students, you well known about this reflex action. If where there is a rapid immediate action will takes place, that is the reflex action. Then reflex action is the correct answer. What about mental action, physical action and chemical action? All these actions will be controlled by the brain and voluntary muscles through the nervous system. Then voluntary muscles can cautious to control to move. But what about reflex action? It's a sudden rapid action. It's a sudden rapid response to the stimulus, which minimizes any damage to the body from the potentially harmful conditions, such as touching of something hot. If you touch any hot substances, suddenly you take back your hands. Is it like that? Here the question is given, when a student steps on sharp object, immediately pull back, the action is. If he is taking immediately back, then this is the reflex action. Option B is the correct answer. Next, second question. Second main, answer the following questions in one sentence. In that first question means fourth question is, what is the growth regulating hormone in plant? Answer is, auxin is the growth regulating hormone. Even though gibberellin is also play the same role. Okay, here auxin and gibberellin are the two growth regulating hormones in plants. Next, fifth question. Describe the right hand thumb role. For this also, take your right hand, stretch the fingers like this. Thumb finger, forefinger and mid finger. These are all mutually perpendicular to each other. Here, the forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field. Thumb finger shows the direction of motion of conductor. Then middle finger will shows the direction of induced current. This simple rule is called as the Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, stretch all these three fingers, thumb finger, forefinger, middle finger. Thumb finger indicates the movement of conductor, forefinger indicates the magnetic field, middle finger indicates the direction of current induced in a conductor. So this is the Fleming's right hand rule. Next, sixth question is, it is necessary to connect appliances of metallic body to connect the earth wire. Why? Answer is, yes, it's necessary to connect metallic appliances to an earth wire to prevent electric shock. This is because the earth wire provides a safe path for electric current to flow to the ground. Earth wire is connected to the ground. When there is a leakage of electric current, it's transferred the ground instead of passing through the user. This keeps the potential of the metallic body of an appliances the same as the earth. Means how earth is having stability, potential energy, inner energy to absorb everything. Such a capacity metallic body will get due to the earth wire, same as the earth. So the user is less likely to get an electric shock. It is safety measure that protects the user from the shock. Hence, it is necessary to connect the metallic appliances and earth wire. Next, third main. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. Seventh one. Why coordination and control system necessary in an organisms? Answer is, control and coordination system necessary in an organisms for the following reasons. To save the body of the organisms from the harmful changes in the environment. For example, when a bright light is focused on our face, or when we touch a hot object, we detect the changes in the environment. Respond to it with a movement in order to protect ourselves. Hence, that coordination and control system is necessary to save our body from the changes in our environment. Second one, to control the speed of voluntary and involuntary actions, and to have the capability to think and learn for the response to any stimuli. For example, the cat may run to catch the mouse, and mouse run faster than the cat to protect from the cat. This is possible because of voluntary and involuntary actions. It's a capability of cat and mouse to think and learn for the response to any stimuli. Each kind of changes in the environment evoke an appropriate movement in response. When you want to talk with your friends in classroom, During class hours, you whisper rather than shouting loudly. Why? Why do you whisper? You well know if you shout, your teacher may punish you. That's why you control yourself. You will not make a loud noise. Therefore, such controlled movement must be connected to the system, that is control and coordination. These are all maintained by the specialized tissues which provides the control and coordination activities. Hence, control and coordination system is necessary in an organisms. Eighth question. How does phototropism occurs in plants? Tropism means turning movement of biological organisms. Turning movement of biological organisms towards the light, it is called as the phototropism. This phototropism usually occurs in plants. See the exact answer for how does phototropism occur in plants. Phototropism is the growth of a plant in response to light. It occurs when a plant cell produces a hormone called auxin, which is sensitive to light. Auxin promotes cell elongation and the plants grow towards the light source. It's called as the phototropism. In the phototropism, you can observe two different types. There are two types of phototropism: positive phototropism, negative phototropism. Positive phototropism, it is the growth of plant towards the light source. Negative phototropism, it is the growth of plant away from the light source. Plant roots tend to exhibit the negative phototropism. You can observe here. So plant's shoot part is growing towards the light. It shows the positive phototropism. The roots are growing away from the light. They shows their movement away from the light indicates the negative phototropism. Shoot shows the positive phototropism. Root shows the negative phototropism. Next, ninth question. In which situation do an overload occur in electric circuit? An electric circuit overloads when too many devices are connected to the circuit at the same time. Overload can occur when a live wire, neutral wire come into direct contact. Overload can occur when a insulation of wires is damaged or there is a fault in the appliances. Overload can also occur due to an accidental hike in the supply of voltage. So these are all the possibilities to occur the overload in the electric circuit.